Hi guys, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. Today is another exciting video and I am so excited about today. Okay, so right here I have two big boxes from Michael Kors. You know, I went into the store. I just wanted to walk around, go to the mall just to walk around and get in some exercise. And the sales rep just told me that Michael Kors is having a deal on their luggage set. And I thought, wow. And the deal was really good on their luggage set. So this is money I didn't plan to spend, but you know, I thought it was a good deal. Let me just take advantage of it. So this video is an unboxing of the luggage set from Michael Kors. Okay, and I don't have any luxury luggage set in my collection, so I just thought why not get it since it's a good deal. You know, I have always liked the Chanel travel luggage set or the LV luggage set, but you know, I've not actually gone out to make those purchases. But since Michael Kors have a good deal and I love Michael Kors, why not go ahead and do it, you know. So guys, ladies, check in your local you know, Michael Kors outlets to see if they still have this deal. You know, I was lucky enough to be in the mall and this deal was going on. I think is the last week of this deal, so I don't know if they still have it by the time this video is up. Okay, so let me don't talk too much, let's just go into the unboxing. All right, so it comes in three three set. It was a three set deal. Okay, so you have to buy all three sets to be able to get the deal. Okay, so this is one big box here, and in here is the duffel bag. Okay, so in here is the duffel bag, and this is the brown color. It comes in brown, it comes in white, it comes in all black, and it comes in blue also. Okay, but I just got this one because I really love this brown color. Okay, so this is one of it. And over here in this big bag, you know, I have the other two sets. So this is one of it. This is the Weekender, and the lady got this one from the back. You know, she just went into this into their storage and got me, so she didn't give me the one in the display, so that's why it still have the plastic on it, you know, because I've never seen a designer bag with plastics on it, but this one, it comes with the plastic on it because, you know, she got it from the back for me. So this is the Weekender. Okay, and let me grab the bigger one. So this is the bigger one. This is the roller, the trolley, the one that has the roller legs. Okay, so this one also she got from the back for me. You can see it still have the plastic on it, and it still have the you know, all the packaging with it. Okay, so this is how this one is. Even the feet still have all of the packaging on it because she got it from the back. She didn't give me the one in the display. Okay guys, so this is how you can travel with this. It has the little thing at the back that you can use to nest it together. Okay, so let's nest this one together. Yeah, so this is how you can carry it if you just want to travel with the Weekender and just with your luggage set. This is how you carry it. Okay, just carry it like this. Isn't that chic? Isn't that very beautiful? And they all matches together. Okay, they all match together. So if you want to carry the duffel bag with it, the duffel bag also have that little thing at the back that you can nest it with. Okay, so you just slip it in like so, and you can carry it like this, all three of it together like so. Isn't that really good? So I can use one of it, and my daughters can, you know, one of my daughter can use one of it. And this luggage, I won't check it in, I will carry it as a carry-on. Okay, because what I noticed, when you check in your luggage, by the time you get your luggage is damaged. So for the price I pay for this, I won't check it in, so that my luggage can last me longer. Okay, so this one they were having, I think, $4.99 for all three sets. And if you don't get all three sets, you just want only one of these, I think this is $3.98. The weekender is also $3.98, and the duffel is $2.98. So for all three of these, and they gave $4.99 for this, I thought, wow, this is a good deal for a Michael Kors. This is just like an amount of one handbag, you know, and I'm getting all of these three travel luggages. So guys, you see why I got it, even though I didn't have the mind, you know, I didn't plan on spending when I went to the mall, but because I saw this beautiful, really good deal, I just thought I should get it. Okay, all right guys, so this is just my little unboxing for my travel luggage that I just wanted to show. So hopefully in your local Michael Kors, if you are interested, you can still get it. Okay, so ladies, go out there and see what you can get if you are interested in it. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your support. And if this is your first time watching me, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, thank you so much. So I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.